Hi, everyone. Welcome to Daily Talking.
Hello! We are so happy you are here today.
I'm David.
And I'm Olivia.
Today, we want to talk about meeting a friend.
Yes, meeting friends is fun.
Before we start, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this episode with your friends.
Yes, please. It helps us a lot.
Okay, Olivia, how are you today?
I'm great. I'm very happy today. How are you?
I'm good, thanks, but I'm a little tired.
Oh, why are you tired?
I played football yesterday for 2 hours.
Wow, 2 hours? That's a long time.
Yes, my legs hurt today.
Oh no, poor David.
It's okay. I like football. What about you? What did you do yesterday?
I watched a movie at home.
Nice. What movie?
A funny movie. It was very good.
I love funny movies.
Me too. They make me happy.
So, Olivia, do you want to meet today?
Meet today? Where?
Maybe we can go to a cafe.
Oh, that sounds nice. I love cafes.
Great! But first, let's talk about the weather.
Yes, the weather is important.
So, Olivia, how was the weather today?
It's sunny today. I like it.
Yes, it's very sunny. And it's warm.
I love sunny days. They make me happy.
Me too. But sometimes it's too hot.
That's true. Yesterday was very hot.
Yes, I was hot when I played football.
I can imagine. Did you drink water?
Yes, a lot of water. I drank maybe 5 bottles.
5 bottles? Wow, you were very thirsty.
Yes. What about you? Do you like hot weather?
I like it, but not too hot. I like warm weather.
What is your favorite season?
My favorite season is spring
Oh, really? Why?
because the flowers are beautiful and the weather is perfect. Not too hot, not too cold.
That's nice. I like spring too, but my favorite season is summer
Why summer?
because I can go to the beach. I love swimming.
Oh, the beach is great. Do you go often?
In summer, yes, maybe 2 or 3 times a month.
That's nice. I don't go to the beach often. Maybe once a year.
Only once? That's not much.
I know, but I don't like sand. It gets everywhere.
That's true. Sand is annoying.
Yes, but the water is nice and cool.
What about winter? Do you like winter?
Not really. Winter is too cold for me.
Do you like snow?
Snow is beautiful, but I don't like being cold.
Fair enough. I like snow. It's fun.
Do you make snowmen?
Yes, when I was a child, I made many snowmen.
That's cute. I never made a snowman.
Really? Never?
No, we don't have much snow where I live.
Oh, I see. That's sad.
It's okay. I prefer warm weather anyway.
Okay, so today the weather is good. It's sunny and warm.
Yes, perfect for going to a cafe.
Exactly. Let's make a plan.
So, what time do you want to meet?
How about 3 o'clock?
3 o'clock? That's good for me.
Great. Where should we meet?
Do you know the cafe on Main Street?
Oh, yes, the one with the blue door?
Yes, that one. It's very nice.
I like that cafe. They have good coffee.
And their cake is delicious.
Cake. Now I'm hungry.
Me too. Should we eat lunch first?
Lunch? What time is it now?
It's 11:30 now.
Oh, yes. Maybe we can eat lunch together.
That's a good idea. Where do you want to eat?
How about pizza?
Pizza? I ate pizza yesterday.
Oh no! You're tired of pizza?
Maybe a little. How about pasta?
Pasta sounds good. I love pasta.
Me too. Do you know a good pasta restaurant?
Yes, there's a small Italian restaurant near the park.
Oh, I know that place. It's very good.
Perfect. Let's meet there at 12:30.
12:30? Okay. And then we go to the cafe at 3.
Yes. We eat lunch, and then we have coffee and cake.
That sounds like a great day.
I think so too. But wait, are you free today?
Let me check. Yes, I'm free.
Great. I'm free too.
What about the weather? Should we check?
Good idea. Let me look. Okay, it says sunny all day.
Perfect. No rain.
Yes, no rain. That's good because I don't have an umbrella.
You never have an umbrella.
That's true. I always forget it.
You should buy a new one.
Maybe. But I don't like umbrellas. They're annoying.
Annoying? Why?
They're big, and I always lose them.
Oh, David, you're so careless.
I know. Okay, so we meet at 12:30 at the Italian restaurant?
Yes, and then cafe at 3.
Perfect. Should we invite Tom?
Tom? Is he free today?
I don't know. Let me call him.
Okay, call him now.
Ring, ring. Hello, Tom. Are you free today? Oh, you're at work? Okay, no problem. Yes, see you later. Bye.
Is he coming?
No, he's at work. He's busy today.
That's okay. It's just you and me.
Yes, just us. That's nice.
Okay, I need to go home and change my clothes.
Why? You look good.
Thank you, but I want to wear something nice.
Okay, see you at 12:30.
See you soon.
So, Olivia, we have plans for today. But what about this weekend?
This weekend? I don't have plans yet.
Do you want to do something?
Yes. What do you want to do?
Maybe we can go to the park.
The park? That's a good idea.
We can have a picnic.
Ooh, I love picnics. What food should we bring?
Sandwiches?
Yes, and fruit. I can bring apples and oranges.
Great. I can bring drinks. Water and juice?
Perfect. What about snacks?
Chips. I love chips.
Of course you do. You always eat chips.
They're delicious. Don't you like chips?
I like them, but not too much. They're not healthy.
That's true, but they taste good.
Okay, you bring chips, I'll bring healthy snacks.
What kind of healthy snacks?
Maybe carrots and nuts.
Carrots? Really?
Yes, they're good for you.
Okay, I'll try them.
Good. So, Saturday or Sunday?
I prefer Sunday. Saturday I want to sleep late.
You're so lazy.
I'm not lazy. I'm tired from football.
Okay. Sunday is good for me too.
What time?
How about 11 in the morning?
11 is perfect. Not too early.
Yes, and the weather should be nice on Sunday.
I hope so. Let's check the weather on Saturday.
Good idea. If it rains, we can't have a picnic.
True. Maybe we can go to the cinema instead.
Oh, the cinema. Yes. Do you want to see a movie?
Sure. What movie do you want to watch?
I don't know. Let me think. Maybe an action movie?
Action? I thought you liked funny movies.
I do, but action movies are exciting.
That's true. Okay, let's see what movies are playing.
We can check on Saturday.
Perfect. So Sunday, picnic if sunny, cinema if rainy.
Yes, that's a good plan.
I'm excited for the weekend.
Me too. It will be fun.
Okay, everyone. That's all for today.
Yes, we talked about meeting a friend today.
We talked about the weather
And we made plans.
for today and for the weekend.
It's always fun to spend time with friends.
That's right. Friends are important.
So, what did we learn today?
We learned how to talk about the weather.
Like, it's sunny or it's cold.
And we learned how to make plans.
Like, what time? Or where should we meet?
These are very useful phrases.
Yes, use them when you meet your friends.
And remember, before you go, don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
Yes, subscribe, like, and share with your friends.
It really helps us.
And leave a comment. Tell us, what do you like to do with your friends?
Yes, we love reading your comments.
Okay, David, I need to go now. I want to change my clothes.
Okay, see you at 12:30.
See you soon, and everyone, thank you for watching.
Yes, thank you. Have a great day.
Goodbye.
Bye-bye.